Hi everyone, my name is Raunak Parmar and welcome to the spoiler of attacking and securing CI/CD pipeline goes. So here you will observe we have two different GitHub accounts. One is the victim account and this one you observe is the attacker account. So I will be showing you how a malicious trigger called as pull request target can actually be abused by an attacker to run some malicious command within your GitHub runners, also the runners which has been hosted in your cloud servers as well, which is called as self-hosted runners as well. So here you will observe in the victim account, we have a workflow which says that the workflow will get executed to any time when this specific trigger will get executed, which is pull request target. And now how this works. So pull request target basically works whenever there is any new pull request being created. So that's fine. Like, so that means we have to create a new pull request. And here, if you observe, we have this npm run build and npm run test. So as an attacker, you just have to now create a new pull request and somehow that you should be able to run the commands within the GitHub, within the victim's GitHub runner. So if you know how a Node.js application works, which is the npm, you will see that there is a file called as package.json. And here we have this build and that a test which will get executed. So now you as an attacker now will have to, create a pull request. So for creating a pull request, we will come right here and we'll just copy this specific repo. Uh, so here you will see the similar files and all. So just go to package.json and here we'll try to, create a pull request, but it says that you have to fork this account, fork this repository. So let's fork this repo in the from the victim to attackers account and create a fork. And this will take like 5 to 10 seconds to fork the whole account since it's very small, so it won't take some time. Yeah. So now we can go to package.json and here it will observe we can now update the file as well. So to update a file, what we'll do is we'll create a pull request so that we will get a hit of the request, and also we will merge the environment variables to verify that the account that the data or the command was actually executed within the victim's account and not the attacker one. So for that, I have this website called as webhook.site. So I'll just copy this URL and now I will create a curl request in post form and the URL right here. And in the data, we'll send the environment values and make sure to have double quotes. All right. And now I'll create this pull. We'll just click on commit changes. Make sure that you click on new branch, propose changes, and that's it. And now I'll also keep this right here. So before I click on pull request, we'll open this action button and click I understand my workflows and go ahead and enable that. So you have to enable your workflows. So once that is done, I can now click on create pull request and that's it. So now you will see that the workflow will get executed right now. Here we go. And if I just click on here, let me just take it. Yeah. You will see it's now getting executed. Set up Node.js, install dependencies, and run npm install. And once this is done, and you can see we also got the hit, and we also have the environment values here. But if you observe the GitHub repository owner, it says trouble-1, which is my account, which is the attacker account. So that's not useful for us, to be honest. So now this is done. We can now click on merge pull request and click on merge, confirm merge. And that's it. Now this is done. Now let's go back to the code and just click on contribute. And now we will open a pull request for the victim account, victim repo, which is this one. So, and till now, I'm still in my attacker account. I have not jumped to the victim's account. Okay. So I'll open this pull request, and let me just also open that. Yeah. And now I'll just give some name like new valid pull request, and just click on pull request. And now it will also run the workflow file again. You can see. Now observe that initially we got the GitHub repo owner name, which was trouble-1, which is the attacker account. And now after creating a pull request in the victim's account, you can see we got a hit and the value has been changed, which means that now as an attacker, I executed command within the victim's GitHub runner. Now I can also get a reverse shell by actually executing the Node.js reverse shell files and all. I could have done that as well. And if this account has any has any sensitive environment variables, right now there is no sensitive variables for now. But if the account has some sensitive variables, we could have stolen that. Or if this account is actually the self-hosted agent, we could have also get a reverse shell into the self-hosted agent, and probably that agent might be running in the in the cloud servers, maybe in Azure, GCP, or AWS, or maybe in the self-hosted server as well. And that server might have some additional privileges, might have some additional credentials, might be pre-logged in with some Docker's credentials or something like that. So as an attacker, you can see how I was actually was able to run malicious command without having any interaction of the victim. It was all about me as an attacker, created a pull request, opened a pull request, and that's it. And it was triggered. So yeah, this was all about this lab. So this is one of the lab of this course, but we have a lot of different amazing labs, which you can see like the Kubernetes section, Docker, Azure section, like how Azure DevOps, like how you can abuse the very limited permissions in DevOps to again compromise the agents and all, and stealing the secrets, and a lot of things can be explained in the training. If you're interested, then feel free to adopt the training. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for this lab. See you the next time.